So here is a second video of Penny's 6 puppies, born December 8th. Penny and Rocky's puppies, 2 boys and 4 girls. They've just finished nursing with Penny, so I'm hoping that we catch them playing a little. The fun begins now. They're just pretty well weaned off, and it's socializing now. They play, but it's all very gentle at this point still. So sweet. Oh, they're all on different schedules though, Some of them are playing, some of them are sleeping. With this many, it's bound to happen. They're very, very, very cute right now. Yeah. Oh, they'll sleep in the middle of everything too. So, hopefully I catch them all awake. Hey, hi there, cutie. So I've got lots of room to run back and forth. It's hard to catch them though, all at the same time. Yeah, let's get some close-ups. They've all got their collars on. Yeah. There. All right, let's wake you up, you guys. Come on. Come on, we need wakies. Come on, let's get some activity going on here. Come on, you're being filmed. Yeah. Come on, cuties. Come on. Yeah. Come on. There we go. There we go. Let's get up. Come on. Yeah, gives you an idea. They're still, sleeping a lot. Adorable. No concept of space. They walk all over each other. Okay, well, that's it for now this week. Things are rolling along. Everybody's doing well. Okay, bye-bye.